Hey everybody, I'm Bradley Schlagheck, QC Design School graduate, student ambassador, professional organizer, and interior decorator. I started my business, Bradley Ryan Home Organization, in 2019 in New York City with the hopes of turning my hobby into a new career. I specialize in all areas of the home when it comes to organizing and decor, with an emphasis on how order, function, and style can change your space and the way you live. In this video, I'll be discussing how networking can help you find new clients and jobs, and special tips to help you network like a pro. I'll be focusing on networking for professional organizers, but these tips can be applied across the entire design industry. To start off, what is networking? The true definition of networking is the action or process of interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. So in a professional organizing business sense, networking helps you find new jobs, new opportunities, new industry information that you necessarily wouldn't find on your own. Again, this applies to any areas of the design industry as well. Not only can networking bring in new clients, it can help grow your business, your profession, and your career. It's all about going up. Years ago, networking was very live. It was all about social events, meeting face-to-face, sitting down, exchanging business cards, all about building community and meeting other professionals in your industry. But with the digital age, the way we communicate completely changed, professionally and personally. Today, networking is all about the internet. Whether that's on websites or social platforms, you can reach people all across the world, not just nearby. Why is networking important? Okay, get a pen and paper and take a screenshot for this one. For professional organizers, networking is important in order to find new clients and jobs, develop and improve your skills, follow industry trends, meet other organizers and designers, promote your business, and to find inspiration. The most common people professional organizers network with are potential clients or people who are interested in your business. But you can also meet other organizers and designers and businesses that can help make great connections when it comes to getting new clients and getting your business out there. I've connected with a lot of other organizers on social media to talk about products, advice, and other ways to get clients. I've also connected with public speakers who specialize in business profiles like LinkedIn to get my business profile set up. This helps with reaching a broader network online. Networking can help professional organizers get clients because you get word-of-mouth referrals from other clients, families and friends can pass along your information, and people can look at your website and social media if they're interested in your business. Also, with Google listings, you pop up when people are searching for your type of work. When you're networking with other organizers, they can refer you to some clients if they're busy, if it's not their expertise, or if they just think it'll be a better fit for you. Now, let's move on to 5 pro tips. First, do your research. Be prepared. Before reaching out to someone, ask yourself, what kind of people do I want to work with? What contacts are going to help me professionally? And try learning a little bit more about the person before you connect with them. We all know some Instagram detective work can reveal a lot. Maybe say, I just saw you graduated from QC Design School. How's your business going? Make that personal connection. Also, know the ins and outs of your own business, especially when it comes to goals and your business model. If someone's going to hire you or ask for your advice, be prepared to represent yourself and your business the way you want. Number 2, invest in your brand. This is who you are and what you're selling. So when it comes to networking, this is your digital identity. When you're first starting out, think about your business name, your logo, your color scheme. All can be selling points when you're reaching out to potential clients. Take the time and maybe spend some money on professional photos to give your business not only a name, but a face for people to connect with. Also, think about what you're going to wear when you go into people's homes. Spend some money on an outfit. Just like an interview, a fully put together brand can represent you more than you know. Number 3, maximize your social media. This ties into investing in your brand as well. Get on as many platforms as possible. This is a website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok if you're into that. Sites like Squarespace and Wix are super user-friendly. You can even create a logo and then create a website directly from that design. They're super easy to update and keep current. Once you're on social, stay connected. Keep updating with current things about you, current things about your business, about your work. There's no better way to represent you than having an online resume. Having social media is key. It can be exhausting, but it's necessary. It's the best way to promote you, promote your business, and reach out to potential clients. Number 4, never stop learning. Some people say, never stop being a student. When you're talking with potential clients, no one likes a know-it-all. Whether you're in person or online, coming off as a person who is always willing to learn, is open and willing to new ideas, will make people want to work with you in the future. You never know who you're going to meet and what opportunities they're going to have for you. And finally, number 5, a networking must, be yourself. Being confident and authentic is the best way to make a great connection. When you're reaching out to potential clients or other organizers, be yourself and you'll be representing your business and what you have to offer. So to recap, do your research, invest in your brand, maximize your social media, never stop learning, and be you. So to finish up, let's talk about QC's online training and how it can help you when it comes to networking. With QC's complete online platform, you're connected with all of the other students who are taking courses, some in real time with you. There are message boards filled with topics and questions, and it's a great resource to find help, information, and meet other people who are also on their way to certification. QC courses also teach you how to work with potential clients, especially when it comes to difficult situations. Learning how to work with others, especially when going into their homes, is invaluable information that you can transfer into networking. My QC experience with professional organizing and interior decorating helped me most with starting my business and researching other organizers in my area in order to figure out competitive rates and my business model. And like I said before, these are all really important when you start networking. I'd recommend QC online training to anyone who is just starting out, or if you already have a business and you're looking to increase your knowledge base in order to grow your business and your client list. You can help grow your business knowledge and your networking skills all online at your own pace. So that's it. Again, I'm Bradley Schlagheck, Student Ambassador with QC Design School. Thanks for listening today and learning a bit more about networking as a professional organizer or design professional, and a little more about QC Design School. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to QC's channel, and leave a comment down below. You can connect with me on all of my social media at BradleyRyanHomeOrg, and in the Facebook QC Design School virtual classroom. Thanks for watching.